Welcome back everyone to a new video. Now, as you can probably see in the title, we're going to be doing the gearbox and engine mount, as it's wise to change both of them at the same time. Now, I'll probably do this in two parts depending on how well it goes fitting wise, as I've never done this before, so it's literally just pretty much from what I've been told how to do it. So I'm just going to go for it and just jump in the deep end with it. So this one here is the upper engine mount, which is underneath the expansion tank or coolant tank, whichever you want to call it. And this one here is for your gearbox, which you've got to take the battery out to get to it. Now, as people have told me, it's fairly simple, but I will recommend that once I've done it. So one question I asked before I bought them was, do you change the complete mount? Now, I thought it's a bit pointless really, because is it really worth triple the price? I mean, when saying the rubber deteriorates, I would have thought. I could be wrong, I don't know, but yeah, I can't justify paying £145 or £30 for the plastic insert. So from what I've been told, it's just changing inserts, it's good enough. So we're just going to see when we get it out and see what it actually looks like. If the mount is worn, then obviously have to go out and get a new mount, but I can't see that being a problem. So yeah, we're going to get down to the unit and get these installed. So the car's in. I got my good old buddy here, Mitchell, with me to give me a hand. Say hello, Mitchell. Working hard. Obviously I work hardest, like, but still.
No, you're a supervisor.
I'm a good supervisor. So the under tray's off. I ain't bothered filming that bit because obviously most people, if you experience it like I have, once you reach a certain speed, they tend to, well, it's a safety feature by Ford, they tend to blow off into pieces once you reach that certain speed. So I ain't gonna bother filming that because obviously chances are you might not even have one on. Now the car's jacked up, we need to support the gearbox and the engine mount before doing this. So now we've got to disconnect the battery for the gearbox. Now before you take the battery off, do check with your mapping company or Ford specialist, because this can wipe off some settings. Obviously I'm running Dream Science, so obviously this shouldn't be affected. So hopefully it's all well and good. So take the positive off first, get the battery out, and then obviously it's onto the gearbox mount.
Alright, took the battery tray off. Now just got them 2 bolts to take out. And then we will see how we get on. Here we go again.
Oh, that's off.
Try to make yourself jump this time, Lee.
I really hate them with a passion.
Them 2 bolts, then you got them 2.
This is the main sensor one to come out now, once you get this plate off.
Right, so the gearbox mount is all off. It's jacked up, so it should go back on the exact same way. Fixing this, but it will go where that groove is. It will go that way round when it will fit on top. So that groove will fit right into this little part, giving it.
So always give it a bit of a clean up, some degreaser. And then what we're going to do, clean the inside of the gearbox mount up, inside the engine, and put some wax seal spray on it, just protect the paintwork inside. It's always best to give it a bit of a clean up.
So make sure this bolt, the centre one, is torqued down to 163 Newton meters.
That's what it says online, so we're going on there. Don't strain yourself, Mitchell.
I tried to ship myself on the way through. Right, so after putting that mount on
Just crimp
with yeah, for your halos, yeah. Got all the battery box in, which is a bit of a pain in the ass, but tight squeeze. Sorting out all the cables now. The mount is all securely tightened and torqued up to spec. Not really much left to do, but we're going to do the other mount, which is the engine mount down there. We're going to do that tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon, so we will be back then. Right, so that's the end of today's video. Lay underneath the car, because I'm that much of a good mate.
I've lost a screwdriver.
See what I have to put up with. There you go, Lee.
Sure.
Should have gone to Specsavers. Right.
You still filming it?
No, I'm just ending the video. Just a nice car walk around. Because I know you got it under control.
I don't think so.
Well, I think. Right then, guys. Guys and girls. See you tomorrow.